Let's look at this question. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which when divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 2. So first 3-digit number is going to be 100 and last 3-digit number is 9, 9 and 9. Okay. So this is a multiple of 5. So the first 3-digit number that leaves a remainder of 2 when divided by 5 is going to be nothing but 100 plus 2, that is 102. The last 3-digit number and a multiple of 5 is going to be 995, and the last 3-digit number that when divided by 5 leaves the remainder of 2 is going to be 997. So now we have to count the number of terms. So this is going to be nothing but the first term is 102, the last term is 995, the difference is of 5. Okay, as these are of the form 5k plus 2, these numbers are of the form 5k plus 2 because these are nothing but multiple of 5 plus 2 because the remainder is 2 when divided by 5. So that's why these are of the form 5k plus 2. So now we have a as 102, okay, d as 5. We have to find number of terms. Okay, so now we can use our formula for nth term. Okay, so last term is 997. So we can find out the number of terms by using our nth term formula, which is nothing but a plus n minus 1d. So last term is 997. Okay, this is equal to a becomes 102. Okay, 102 plus n minus 1 times d is 5. So this is going to be nothing but 997 minus 102 plus 5 equals to 5n, or n becomes nothing but this will become 890 divided by 5, 890 plus 10, 900. Okay, so 900 divided by 5 is going to be nothing but 900 divided by 5 is going to be 180. So we got our number of term as 180. So to find out the sum of all terms, we can use this formula that n into average, okay, or n into first term, that is a, plus last term by 2. So we got n as 180 into first term is 102, last term is last term is 997, okay, divided by 2. So this is going to be nothing but 90. So this becomes nothing but 90 into 102 plus 997 is 999 plus 100 is 199. So this becomes 9. This is going to be greater than 90,000, 98,000. Okay, so the only option greater than 98,000 is option D. So our answer is option D, and you can manually multiply it. This is going to be nothing but 90,000 plus 90 into 99. Okay, or we can write this as this is going to be nothing but 90,000 plus this is going to be 8100 plus 810, or we can write this as 98910, and therefore this is our answer, option D.